In this video, you'll learn how to view crypto market data on Binance. This guide will help you navigate the platform effectively to find the information you need about various cryptocurrencies. Begin by accessing the Binance website or opening the app on your device. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Markets tab either in the bottom menu or by using the search bar. After selecting Markets, you will see various categories such as spot, futures, top gainers, and new listings. If you prefer standard market data, choose the spot option. A stable internet connection is essential as market data updates in real time. This initial step directs you to the dashboard where Binance presents key metrics like price, trading volume, and percentage change for various coins. Next, utilize filters to analyze market movements and trading volume effectively. You can sort the list of coins by their 24-hour percentage change to identify which cryptocurrencies are experiencing the most significant price movements. It's important to also check the trading volume, as high percentage changes accompanied by low volume may not indicate genuine market interest. To find specific coins more efficiently, use the search bar rather than scrolling through the entire list. If the interface allows, switch between timeframes such as 24 hours and 7 days to get a broader view of price trends. Additionally, pay attention to the trading pairs, as the same cryptocurrencies may exhibit different performances when traded against different currencies, such as USDT or BTC. Consider adding important coins to your watch list for quicker access in the future, turning raw data into actionable insights. After that, tap on a specific coin to access its detailed market page. This page provides price charts, historical statistics, and essential metrics such as high and low prices, trading volume, and percentage changes. Understanding these details will help you gauge the coin's volatility. Take note of the available trading pairs and choose the one you intend to trade. If the order book data is displayed, examine the buy and sell pressure to assess short-term demand for that coin. Comparing different timeframes on the chart will prevent you from making decisions based solely on a single price spike. You can save the coin to your favorites for easy access later, allowing you to transition from casual browsing to in-depth analysis. While navigating through the market data, keep in mind that larger files or higher volumes of data may take longer to load, especially if your internet connection is slow. Ensuring that you have sufficient storage on your device is also crucial, as extensive data can consume available space. Regularly check your internet speed to facilitate smooth browsing and real-time updates. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.